How to fix there was a problem with your iCloud subscription payment or problem with your iCloud subscription. So if you're facing a problem of there was a problem with your iCloud subscription payment, then what you need to do is first you need to check whether you have a stable internet connection or not. Check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. And after that, what you have to do is simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, you have to turn it off again. Next thing you need to do is open up your settings. You need to scroll down until you find the option of general. Once you find the option of general, you need to tap on it, and then you need to scroll down from the general option until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then go with reset. And here you need to click on reset network settings and reset your network settings. And after resetting your network settings, you have to simply go back and go to the next step, which is simply update your payment method. If you have provided any kind of payment method which is not working properly, then you have to simply update your payment method. You have to check the details of your payment method, or you can also simply change your payment method. You can just simply tap on your Apple account and then go with payment and delivery. Once done, you will have your payment method right here. In my case, I've not added any payment method, but if you've added, then you can just remove your payment method that you've added previously and then add a new payment method. And once you've added, your problem might be fixed. Just go and restart the device and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.